Perfect. So what we're about to do is we're going to make an AI dance video using our AI generated character. Let me go ahead and show y'all. So I'm going to use this for my reference video. Pretty simple, just my man Speed getting down. And then I have an AI character reference that I'm going to use. Let's see what I do. Go ahead and use this for my AI character reference. I also generated this one, but I think it's a little funnier with the whole outfit and the pants and everything. So this is super simple, super simple. I'm gonna do all of this live. Here in Hedra Labs, we go to video. I have Clean 2.6 Motion Control Pro selected. I have my aspect ratio set to 9:16 because I want to make this for like TikTok, Instagram Reels, etc. And for a dance video, we're going to want to use this video natural orientation. Character works good for character framing, but for complex motion, we're going to want to use this video orientation, right? So first, it's literally the easiest thing in the world. Hedra Labs, they did a really good job with this. So first, we're going to put in our start frame. Boom. I'm going to go find my start frame. We're going to use this picture. Boom. And then next, we're going to add our video reference. We're going to add our video reference. I got that in downloads. That's my video reference. And then for the prompt, I wrote a super detailed prompt. Like to start out, I had a really basic prompt, but then I enhanced this one. So here's the full prompt that I got. And then another thing that was suggested to me is make sure I add in some stability controls. So a lot of what you see at the bottom of this prompt is just stability controls. Like don't do this, specifically do that. Most people, they get weak results because they use weak prompts. I'm making sure I use a highly detailed prompt, right? So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this. Boom. Throw that in there, Hedra. Hopefully this works perfectly because I only got 300. It's going to take 306 credits to make this video. I only got 454 credits left. Make sure everything's right. So I got to regenerate this again. Video orientation on video, not character. Got my 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Start frame, perfect. Reference video, perfect. Clean 2.6 motion control, perfect. And after this, depending on how good the video is, I'm going to throw it into the Hedra upscaler and use that to enhance the quality of the video. So everything looks good. I double checked everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. Now we're going to wait. I want to say maybe like 5-10 minutes. Let's see. It's got a minute and 30-second countdown. All right. Maybe that works like that. Just 1 to 2 minutes. Maybe I was wrong. But yeah, that's everything. Hedra made it super simple for us. Boom. Character reference. Boom. Reference video for our motion control. Got my highly detailed prompt. Highly detailed prompt. Y'all can copy this, adjust it for however you want. If you want to see more workflow videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'm a Hedra affiliate right now, so I'm gonna put my referral link into the description. I'll also pin my referral link in the comments. If you guys want to support me, support Hedra, use my link. And boom, 30 more seconds. This joint's fast. All right, so boom, looks like the video's done. Went ahead and downloaded it. Look at it in full.